know how show suni yama wakwaba ene ya adesua no yehwe summarized weekly monitoring tool for 3 years yɛde yɛn NTC portfolio building. Na summarized weekly monitoring tool no ɛyɛ den edi kan ɛsɛ saa tool we no it deals with the punctuality of the teachers, and sɛ yɛka sɛ punctuality of the teachers we mean going to school every day and on time. Example, sɛ edwuma hyɛ aseɛ 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. na teacher no wɔ hɔ on the exact time na ɔtena school hɔ a meyɛ pɔn a ɛne yɛfrɛ no punctuality no. Again, say teacher ni biara to me score 90% of the attendance ɛwɔ term biara mu. 90% of our attendance as teachers in each term. According to NTC, educational workers are to be present at their various workplaces for at least 90%. Patch say, say, office, say, field, say, attendance no score no 90%. A teacher or any educational worker should not fall below 90% mark in the term. Now, formula we need to calculate percentage attendance. And the percentage of your attendance is equal to cumulative attendance out of total times open times 100. Now, you sample way. Sample way first term 2023-2024 academic year no. First term monitoring tool na yayi. Inti ohwe esro ha, I mean the heading. So we prepare wo monitoring weekly tool na and a weekly monitoring tool. I say which was way. The year academic year summarized weekly monitoring tool of now the Udinya Shaha we made the James Bond as a sample. Then attendance summary of term 1. No about date no of term 1, that is last academic term, first term. I shall say 3rd October 2023 na yadema kwai 21st December 2023. So this is the academic term, the reopening date and the vacation date. Then this is the table, the way you have to prepare the table. So you write, you prepare or you create a table with 6 columns: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first column no ye week, the second column ye week ending, the next one times open, fourth attendance per week, fifth cumulative attendance and a percentage attendance. Inti o prepare the way senior before near prepare scheme of learning. So that is scheme of work. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Term 1 it was 12 weeks I think. Inti I check it. Term 1. Inti over week 1, 2, 3, 4 to the last week. Then you give us the week ending. That is week 1. I shall say on that is the ending. No, it's 6th October 2023. Could see the last week was 22nd December 2023. That is the last week ending. Then times open, you know, you patch the time you di co school, excluding Saturdays and then that is weekends plus official holidays. I don't know times open. Then attendance per week. When you teach any no attendance per that week. Inti memfa say week 1. you go school for 4 days, that is the times open. And me as a teacher, me attendance 3 days because you be a school no sa Tuesday no mamba. And we all know that the first week of every term is all the time 4 days because we normally reopen on Tuesday. School starts on Tuesday into 4 days. Sa Tuesday no mamba bi into metia no free ma me ba only 3 days. Then my cumulative attendance will be 3. Yeah, for percentage in talk a we will calculate it based upon a formula. In the second week, the ending was 13th October 2023. And no, you be a school for 5 days. That is, you go school for 5 days. 5 days ni hina as a teacher. Attendance per week me ko 5 ni hina. Into my cumulative attendance will be 5 year plus this 3. If baby I made a point and in number. 5 plus 3 will give me the 8 as my cumulative attendance. Then third week, and also you be a school and a school opened for 5 days, no holiday, 5 days. And I attended 4 days out of 5, which is my attendance per that week 3. So my cumulative attendance will be this 4, then I'll add it to the 8, then I'll get 12 for that week. And week 4, the ending was 27th October 2023, and it's also open for 5 days. Then that week I also attended school for 5 days, so I'll add this 5 to my 12 year to get 17 cumulative attendance. All right, now the last week, which is the 22nd, remember we vacate on Thursday, so school open for 4 days, and all the 4 days I was in school because it was vacation date. So my cumulative attendance will be this 4 plus this, and I'll get 21. Now the summation times open, you have to total all this to get the total times open for the whole term. This is sample, so my sample is just 23, but the actual times open for first term 2024 first term is not 23, it's more than that, but this is just sample. Then your attendance per every week, you have to pick it from the teacher's attendance book. So look into the attendance book and then do the calculation, count the number of days you attended school. Please remember that if you don't sign the time book, you don't include it. Into in there, baby or and sure wouldn't now because of this monitoring tool. I force our coach wouldn't or her on and no yamin won't take my sema. Aqua chapel. You are a Christian, you are a Muslim. Tell us the truth. So don't joke with the time book. Make sure all the time your name is in the time book so that you can do this weekly attendance calculation properly. So when you check the time book and your name is not there, don't force yourself and write the name there. Count what you see and put it here. That will help you to all the time go to the time book and then write your name in the time book. So this calculation is from the time book. So week 1, how many days? Week 2, how many days? Week 3, how many days? Do the calculation and put it there. Then your cumulative attendance is addition of the previous week to the next one. So you keep on doing that. Now see, your attendance per the week and your cumulative attendance, the totals need to be the same. The totals need to be the same. So what we are going to do, as of the percentages for every week, is the formula. Don't forget the formula. So I'm going back to the formula. You see the formula is this. The formula says percentage equal to cumulative attendance out of total times open times 100. So on our chart here, the total times open, the total is 23. So for term 1, 2024 term 1, you have to know the total times open. So maybe it is 58 or it is 60 or whatever number you have, the correct number, write it. That is the total times open. Then your cumulative personal one, the week, every week, how many days did you go? So do the cumulative attendance. Then we come to the percentage attendance, the calculation. So for that week, first week, we are saying that the percentage formula is this. You see, I got 13.04 for week 1 is percentage equal to cumulative attendance out of total times open by 100. So the cumulative attendance for week 1 was 3. Look at it. You see, cumulative attendance is just 3 here. Then you divide that one by total times open, and the total times open was 23. So look at that, 23 below here. Then you multiply by 100. So 3 on 23 by 100 will give me 13.04%. Please, you have to round it up to 2 decimal places to make the percentage. So look at it. So the next percentage will be 8 on 23 by 100 will give you the second one. The next one is 12 on 23, which is times open by 100 will give you this. So remember that you are to spend 90%, or you are to attend school 90%. That is, when we check your attendance, it's supposed to be 90% plus. Then it means that you have achieved your goal. But less than that is not accepted by NTC. So in the preparation of this weekly monitoring tool, please tell us the truth, and the truth shall set you free. When you do this table, you need to prepare this table on a sheet of paper from week 1 up to the last week for yourself by writing this very heading here with your name on it. Then you do the calculation nicely. Then you present this, your work or stuff, to your headmaster or headmistress. She or he will go through, endorse it, and hand it back to you. You have to go and open your NTC portal and upload it at where they have written Summerized weekly monitoring tool for 3 years. Go and upload first term. When you are done with second term, this very second term, when you are done with that also, go there and upload. Keep on uploading term by term. Let's say you did not upload term 1, so you are coming to do it for term 2. Make sure you attach term 1 and term 2 together, both endorsed by your head, and you upload it. Please, this whole thing has to be in PDF format when you are uploading it on your portfolio. So you go to your portal, NTC portal, with your username, which is your email and password. Enter there and click on the menu and search for portfolio, and look for where they have written Summerized weekly monitoring tool.